Man look like him a go shop in a hurry.
When the vehicle did leak you down, you see? They never care go hospital.
Yeah, you say hospital, them care me, they send me from the mad.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Hey, Wagwan, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one, my people. Social media never ceases to amaze me, and so much things happen all over the world. See, my people, now I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened on a day when a person who is suspected to be a type of criminal by some residents of a community had been beaten by some residents of a community. Now, based on some words that have been said in the video that I'm about to present to you, and based on unconfirmed information and how the video had been posted on social media, allegedly the person had been suspected of being a thief or a criminal. I also got the understanding that the person had been accused of at least one thing, viewing subscribers. So I'm just trying to explain to you to the best of my understanding. It is not clear what exactly might have happened. However, in the video, me when at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person was asking for the person not to be killed. At least one person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that the police come in, our police come in. In the video, I also hear when at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person asks the person who is considered to be a suspect are suspected and are accused for at least one person or someone. My people, this is fair warning that the video that I'm about to present to you shows the person who had been beaten down on a type of roadway, or the person was somewhat laying down on a type of roadway, and the video shows at least one person hit the person with an object. The video also shows at least one object that is believed to be a machete being held by someone. The video also shows when at least one person hit the person. You can also hear harsh language in the video. And one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you is because the video had been posted on social media. I did not get any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. But situation in the video really and truly look away, my people. So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
See face like don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him down, don't kill him down, don't kill him, don't kill him.
Police coming, the police coming.
The police
Don't block your face. Don't block your face, give him. Show your face, or let us reality. What's your name?
Don't kill him one.
Where do you from tongue? What you doing more?
I come out to just somebody from police.
You're lying. If you come to just somebody, where you running for? Where you running for?
I see some van man turn in front of me, so I get frightened if anybody run to gunmen.
Okay, where you get this stuff? Where you get this stuff? Where you get this stuff, sir? Where you get
You part now, right? You part now, right?
No, sir.
We don't go over the store.
I don't have
Your partner go over the store. Your partner go over the store.
Why?
I see you over the store. Why you there? I see you over the store. And then about
what is so?
who see you over the store?
Where the police? The police coming there, man. The police coming now. The police coming. The police coming there, man. Where the man? Where the next man? Where the next man? Yeah, all the police go. Yeah. Let's come for your smart quick, boy. Let's come for the weapon. Don't kill this man, boy.
Well, the people, I'm not sure how that situation might have turned out. You understand me? But in the video, me when at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that the police coming, our police coming. Questions have been asked, and the person who's considered to be the suspect somewhat was trying to give in an explanation. I was somewhat trying to explain, and certain things happen during subscribers. So that's the best way I can explain to you, because I did not get certain confirmed information to determine what exactly might have caused that type of situation. Certain things happened, meaning that the person had been beaten. Some people might say that the person had been apprehended by some residents of a community. See? So that's the situation right now. Some people didn't get clear information to determine where the video had been recorded. That's the situation right there. So, yeah, leave a comment. Leave your comment or comments and let me know what you think about that. See? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a motor vehicle at a spot or at a position that do not look okay to me. So my people, and in the video, me when a person said some words that have me wondering about certain things I'm seeing in the video. Anyways, let me present the video to you. And before we present the video to you, I want to make it be very, very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are accurate and are even true about the situation or whatever you can see in the video. But look for yourself, my people. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Man, look like him a go shop in a hurry. Sinclair Bargain Center. What's your man? Police telling for park car by us and in a hurry.
My people, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if anything a person said in this video are accurate and are even true about the situation that you can see in the video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, really and truly have me thinking to a certain level. You know, because this is the thing now, my people. See it? Because I'm only going by words of me here said in this video. So, I got the understanding from some words that have been said in this video by at least 3 persons that a person who you can see in the video did not deny and also claimed that he was taken to the morgue. Me hear the word coma mentioned in the video. And based on some more words said in the video by those persons, it made me assume that the conversation was about something that happened to someone who you can see in the video. The people, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself. I would like you to tell me if you believe or if you do not believe some words said in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Man, them carry come there.
Them no come back and yellow kwe God.
So when you in the fridge now, and the ice in those in the
Ice crampy man you wait.
Oh, so ice cramp you. Say hold on, maybe I ask a question now. Say when the vehicle did leak down, you see, they never carry to hospital.
You say hospital them carry they send me from the morgue.
To the morgue.
Man, them not people man dead, the man dead.
The man say me dead. The man dead, he just dead. But I coma me did
And
then they know.
say hold on, say people in no hospital never test you and see.
No look so.
Nah go know. So must say man na coma you know. So must say man na coma you know. Say nah.
No, me I talk like say when a family member then go there.
Yeah, but him nah go know. What happened there so? You go realize when you wake up when you have scramble man realize you wake up in a morgue. Man wake up in so you man go know that. You realize you wake up your man say you wake up and look beside him as a dead man. And the man say, oh, you know what now? Oh, yeah, that's that. You realize there's a 2 dead man in the side.
So the blood clots, man, I go so. I want to go down so.
So when him ball out, you hear 2 man get up way.
It's a long time.
But it's from 1990.
Eh?
Never.
Oh, from your girl school. Oh, Jesus. Mighty God of Daniel.
That you say.
Hold on, people, hold on. Let me try and see if we can break it down in a my way. Now, you can correct me by leaving a comment or comments if me say anything wrong or so forth. But based on some words that have been said in the video, and I'm explaining in my words, that I got the understanding that a person did not deny and also claim that the person was taken to a morgue and that the person claimed that the person woke up in a morgue. Me hear the word coma mentioned in the video. Plus some more words have been said in the video, viewers subscribers. I mean, I presented the video to you so you can listen to the video again if you don't hear certain things. I'm not going to totally go over everything that has been said. However, now, if that is accurate, and if some words said in the video are true, then I'm wondering how that might affect someone mentally, my people. Huh? My people, leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think about anything like that. I think here is where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.